Multiply the two fractions below and write the product in simplest form. Which of the following is the product in simplest form? So this is very similar to the last one where we just simplified. Um, I want to factor everything I possibly can, cancel factors that appear on both, identical factors that appear on both the top and the bottom. Okay, so x minus 6 cannot be factored any further. 4x plus 16, I can pull out the GCF of 4, and I'm left with x plus 4. Okay, 5x plus 20, I can pull out a 5, and I'm left with x plus 4. And 5x minus 30, I can pull out a 5, and I'm left with x minus 6. And then any identical factors on the top and the bottom can be canceled. So I have an x plus 4 and an x plus 4. I have a 5 and a 5, and an x minus 6 and an x minus 6. And the only thing left is a 4 in the denominator. So this would simplify to 1/4, which does not show up in any of the answer choices, which means I made a mistake. So I'm going to have to go back and add correct answer choices. But 1/4 is the answer.